Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm at Pitlane with my 2019 UG. Had to fix the side stand issue. If you guys have not seen my previous vlogs, in one of the vlogs I've shown my bike 2019. The side stand was too crooked. This bracket out here is at fault. It is bent somehow. There are no hit marks on the stand or the bracket anywhere, so I guess it's a issue from the very beginning. So to show you a brief about Pitlane, it's managed by Suraj, is out there. Hey Suraj, say hi. And Niranjan bhai, and his team. He's Sonu, he's working on my bike right now. So there's a small team out here. Very good work done. So this is my 4th or 5th visit out here. Previous vlogs I could not capture properly because it was quite noisy out here. Weekends over here, I've always come on weekends, and weekends it's too crowded over here. So today I came on a weekday to get the work done on my UG. I've yet to get all the parts from Autolog and all. I'm still stocking those. Visor and tank shrouds are left. So once I have those, I'll make a video of installation or review on it. For now, I'm getting the stand fixed first of all. So I'm having a lot of issues while parking and all. The bike slants out too much. It's not that upright, whereas other UGs are upright. I'll hunt for an old photo that I had, where I'll show you, how much the bike was before and how much it is after fixing the bracket. I do have the old and new brackets too. Suraj has sourced it for me. About Pitlane, I leave a link to their service center, contact, location, etc. in the description of the video. Do have a look at that if you want to visit here, if you are in Pune. This is the part number and price if you guys need it too. So this is the new bracket and this is the old one. So Sonu is going to install this on my bike now, and then we'll test once. So the team at Pitlane uses this marine grease on wherever necessary, wherever grease is required. They use the marine grease so that it doesn't get washed away on the bike. So if you guys know Tony Tenson, this bike is being washed out here. It had come for service. The noise is from that machine. Here's Neeraj's bike. I'll be doing a vlog on it too once. Really sorry for the background noise. So the bike is now completely upright. I'll put a pic somewhere from the old this thing. And earlier this was not resting flat. Now it is resting flat. So this is how you make out first that it is resting properly, and secondly, I'm able to take the bike straight up very easily. So I had to put in a lot of energy earlier, but now it's fine. So work is done here. If you guys have any questions regarding this work or Pitlane, please put it in the description below, and I'll get back at the earliest.